Welcome to KidZania, Singapore, an incredible kid-sized city where children can explore, learn, and play like never before. Here, kids can take on real-world roles and experience hands-on activities in a safe and interactive environment. With over 60 role-playing activities to choose from, there's something for every interest and passion. Curious for more? Watch our video till the end. Located on the vibrant island of Sentosa, KidZania Singapore offers a unique blend of education and entertainment, designed for kids aged 4 to 17. KidZania Singapore, which shuttered in 2020 amid the pandemic, reopened on May 16, 2024, after a 10-month renovation, featuring an updated city landscape and next-gen jobs. The indoor attraction, a child-size replica city that spans 7,600 square meters over 2 levels, allows children to explore more than 70 different jobs in a range of local and international companies through realistic role-play. There are many opportunities for children to explore various professions. Young doctors from Parkway East Hospital ride in an ambulance to pick up a casualty, admit the patient, and perform tests such as measuring blood pressure, oxygen levels, and conducting a CT scan. DJs from Kiss 92 try their hand at being on air, while firefighters work to save buildings from fires. Programmers write code, and scientists conduct experiments. Whether it's working as a doctor, building a skyscraper, or producing a television show, KidZania empowers children to learn valuable life skills, such as teamwork, responsibility, and problem-solving. At KidZania, children earn kidos, the official currency, as they work and participate in various activities. Before entering KidZania Singapore, each child will receive 50 kidos at the airport. They can then spend their kidos on fun experiences or save them for future visits. It's a fantastic way to introduce kids to financial literacy and the value of hard work. Just as in the real world, children can earn and spend money when taking part in activities. As part of the realism of KidZania, children will reap the benefits of the working world by gaining financial literacy through learning how to budget, spend, and save their money. Census boards, located outside each establishment, provide detailed information for each role-play activity. Visitors can refer to the census board to get an overview of the activity's requirements, restrictions, rewards, and benefits. Each attraction at KidZania typically takes between 10 to 30 minutes to complete, allowing kids to fully immerse themselves in their chosen roles. However, this popularity often leads to long queues, especially for the most sought-after attractions such as the Aviation Academy, where young pilots can experience flying a plane, and the fire station, where brave firefighters respond to emergencies and save buildings from simulated fires. The queues are especially long during school holidays and weekends, so if possible, try to avoid these peak hours for a better experience. Despite the wait times, the excitement and educational value of these experiences make them well worth it. Children eagerly await their turn to participate in these engaging and realistic role-playing activities, which not only entertain, but also teach them essential skills and values. Located at the Palawan Sentosa, KidZania Singapore offers a great opportunity for a family-filled day, with activities including Palawan Beach Hydro Dash, the newly opened karting arena Hyperdrive, mini golf, and multiple beach clubs and restaurants, including Blue Cuisina and Plus 12 Club. I will tell you more in detail about these in my upcoming videos. And for those itching to experience these marvels firsthand, rsbu Travel is your ideal partner, offering unforgettable adventures in Singapore and beyond. Your next extraordinary adventure begins with rsbu Travel. Join us and let's make unforgettable memories together.